Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Home Fitness Fusion. My name is Declan and we're on day 7 of our challenge, how to get 6-pack abs at home workout for men, beginners for men. How's everyone doing? And if you're not sure what we're talking about, then please check the link above there and explain it all. Right now we need to get into our warm up, so we're going to start off with jogging on the spot, and then after that we'll get into jumping jacks. Alrighty, well done guys. And next up we're going to do a few arm circles. We've done these before, just bring your arms out wide and bring them to the back. Nice easy moves to help loosen up the shoulders. Okay, next up we're going to do some side to side twists. Just twist from one side to the other. Just hold for a second and then alternate to the other side. Now we're going to do our squats, so legs shoulder width apart, feet pointing outward, and just imagine you're sitting into your favourite chair. Do about 10 of these. So extend the arm out, hold the other hand at the elbow, and just bring it across your chest, and then do it on the other arm. Help loosen the shoulder. Tip our toes and reach for the ceiling or the sky, and just bring your hands towards the floor and as close to your feet as you can. Hold it for a second or two and then come back up slowly. I'm going to do a couple of these just to get an overall body circulation before we start. Alright, and that's it guys. We're ready for a workout, so I'll see you inside. See you in a bit. Alright, the first thing on this is our usual to our crunches. We're going to lie on our back with our knees bent and feet flat on the floor. And place your hands around your neck area, protect the neck. And you're going to lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. Now remember, as I said before, breathe out as you crunch up and breathe in as you come back down. Let's aim for both. 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, well done guys. Let's give ourselves a second to catch our breath, and then we'll get into exercise number 2, which will be the plank. You've done these before, so we're just going to get into a push-up position. Lie on your forearms, keep your body straight from head to toe, and then hold this position for a minute. Keep your core and your glutes tight. Okay, well done guys. Give ourselves another second to see why we get to exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is going to be our bicycle crunches. We're going to lie on the floor, and what we're going to do is we're going to bring our elbow to our knee and alternate between legs. Like we're sitting in a tabletop position. Alright, that was tough. How did you do? Now, next up on our list, we will be doing our leg raises. Going lie flat on the ground again. Going to bring our legs up as high as close. Bring our legs up to the ceiling. Hold it, and then bring it back down slowly. Feel the effect in our core. Abdominal muscles. How did you do on that one? Our next exercise we're going to be doing is our Russian twists. We're going to grab our weight. We're going to sit on the floor with your knees bent, and your feet are going to be lifted off the floor. Slightly bend back to back. Or lean back on your back slightly, and twist your torso to touch the floor beside you. Alternating side. Use your weight to add a for stability and increase the intensity. Let's aim for a minute of this. Okay guys, that was a tough one. How did you do? Now our next exercise we'll be doing is our mountain climbers. We'll just catch our breath for a second. We're going to get into a high plank position, and we're going to mimic a running motion by bringing one leg towards the chest and alternating two legs. Let's go as fast as you can. And if you need to, you can always stop and start again. Okay, well done guys. Fantastic. Now our last exercise is going to be our leg flippers. We're going to lie on the ground again, and we're going to put our legs straight, keep the hands underneath your buttocks, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and alternate kicking in a fluffing motion. Alright guys, well done, that's our workout done. How would you all do at home? Just give me a second and we'll get ready for our cool down. Okay, so here we're going to do a little cool down. We're going to do a side to side stretch. We've done this before. Just bend your knee and with the other leg keep it straight and just feel a nice stretch in the inner thigh and just alternate to the other leg. Do a couple of these. Okay, now we're going to do a little hamstring stretch or a calf stretch. So we're just going to bend our leg and with the other leg keep it straight. Place your weight on the heel and just feel the stretch
all along from the calf the whole way up the leg. Hold it for a second or two and just switch to the other leg. Okay, I've got a few squats just to relieve any tension in the legs. Let's do a couple of these. Now we're going to do an overhead stretch, so with one arm crossing over your head and with the other hand sliding down your leg to feel a stretch down your obliques and all up from your obliques up to your shoulder, and then alternate to the other side. Right guys, I think that's it. Well done. How'd you all do at home? Anyway, look, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Home Fitness Fusion. My name is Declan and we'll see you on day 8 of our challenge. Okay, look forward to see you then. All the best and thank you again. Bye for now.